Hi, Colorfin. Colorfin is a material we use sometimes. What it is basically is a kiln-dried Baltic birch core. The unique thing about this stuff is it's kiln-dried, so it's consistent as far as thickness all the way through the sheet. So if we're making things that slide into slots, this works great. It's also extremely durable. One of the most durable products that look really, really nice, especially for furniture that I've used. So the material is painted with a water-based paint of different colors. Here's some of the colors that do provide, and they do custom colors on larger orders. Then on top of that is a phenolic coating that is baked on, which gives it this extremely durable surface. This was developed for concrete molding to be able to be reused and to provide that sleek, smooth concrete mold. This is what it was made for. But furniture makers are starting to use it because it's extremely durable, it weathers well, has a great patina, and it's just a great material to use. $300 a sheet, 4x8 sheet, $300 for 18 millimeter, which is what this is, and a little less than $300 for the 12 millimeter, which is this. It's great material. If we're using it on furniture, we would probably use it in a way where it has the most used in the most traffic area. An example of something that we made is this little toy truck. This is actually a truck that my son used to ride. He used to actually sit in this thing and then ride down the hill. But it's held up. It's been thrown in the garage. It was brought here on a plane, and it still looks good. Still works. This is all Baltic birch in the middle, and then the last layer here is the Colorfin. As you can see, still looks nice, still feels durable, and there you go, Colorfin.